Hi, my name is Sandhya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are preparing a recipe using Semiya or vermicelli, which can be a lunchbox recipe or you can have this for breakfast as well. This is super simple to make and will take flat 10 minutes to prepare. It involves very few ingredients and the ingredients list is given in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell and also like, share and comment. So let's start. So I've placed a kadai on medium flame and poured some oil into it. Now we're going to add the vermicelli or semiya into this and fry them until they turn golden brown in color. This should take about 5 minutes to be done. Once it turns golden in color, you can switch off the gas and then remove it into a plate. Into the same kadai, I've added some ghee. And to that I'm going to add cinnamon, cardamom, clove and some cumin seeds. We'll allow the cumin to brown a little and the spices to give out their aroma. Once that's done, let's add in the green peas. I'm using frozen green peas here and the grated carrot. Saute it nicely for a few minutes. Now it's time to add the spices. That's turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt to taste, and a little bit of garam masala powder. Now let's mix everything together and cook the masalas. Now I'm going to add the water into it. Mix everything really well. Now let's allow this to come to a boil on medium flame. Once the water boils, we'll add in the semiya. Give it a nice mix. And now we'll cover this and cook it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Make sure you stir it occasionally. After 5 to 6 minutes, the semiya is done. Now let's pour in the lime juice. Mix everything well and this is ready to be served hot. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.